kind family rescued a puppy from the street. He was so small and beautiful. Puppy was not in good health. So the family took the puppy into the hospital. After treatment, puppy started to gain its strength. See their happy family now.